Stop submitting your resume. Did you know that a staggering 75% of job applications get instantly rejected by AI before a single human even glances at them? And if your resume miraculously survives that first cut, you've got 6 seconds. That's it, 6 seconds to convince a busy hiring manager you're worth their time. Does it sound impossible? It's not. And today I'll be giving you the playbook to beat the AI resume screeners and captivate human reviewers. We're going to unlock your human coefficient, your secret weapon in today's AI job market, to help you land the job and the income you deserve. Stay with me because your job search is about to get a massive upgrade.
Let's be real. Applying for jobs can feel like shouting into the void. Those applicant tracking systems, also known as ATS, the AI gatekeepers, are tossing out 3 out of every 4 resumes, maybe even yours. Why? Because they're programmed to look for specific things, and most resumes simply don't make the cut. And the few that do get past, they face that brutal 6-second human test.
In the next few minutes, you'll have the blueprint to decode why AI rejects your resume, pinpoint the common ATS mistakes tripping you up, master the ATS beating formula, learn the exact steps to optimize your resume for ATS, learn 3 human hook tricks, secrets to make hiring managers stop scrolling and actually read your resume. Avoid the #1 resume killer. Identify the single biggest error sabotaging your job application success. Ready to turn those rejections into interviews? Let's get started.
Hurdle number 1, the applicant tracking system. Think of it as a hyper-focused, slightly picky robot bouncer. It's scanning for keywords and specific resume formatting. Get this wrong and you're out before the party even starts.
Right, Mabel, and golden ticket #1 is to steal their words. Your most powerful weapon, the job description itself. The ATS is looking for terms from the posting, so don't get creative here. If they ask for data analysis, use data analysis. If they want project management, write project management. Weave these keywords naturally into your summary, experience, and skills sections. Secret #2, robot readable formatting. Fancy graphics, columns, tables, headers, footers, they confuse the ATS. Keep your resume format clean and simple. Here's what works. Simple fonts, Arial times Roman, times New Roman, nothing fancy. Standard headings, use clear titles like work experience, education, skills. File format, use a Word document unless the application specifically asks for PDFs. Some of the older ATS struggles with PDFs, believe it or not. Don't use tables, columns, text boxes, images, headers, or footers. Put your contact info in the main body. And here's a quick reality check. Modern generative AI tools like ChatGPT are new, okay? So nobody has a decade of experience in this field because it didn't exist. So be careful what you say here. Don't over-exaggerate your experience. If you've been following our channel and working on those AI certifications from AWS, Google, or Azure, you already have more structure and knowledge than many applicants. Focus on demonstrating that learning and application.
All right, you aced the robot test. Now the human test. You have 6 seconds to grab the hiring manager's attention. So how do you do it? With a powerful professional summary and quantifiable results, this is where your human coefficient truly shines. Ditch vague fluff like highly motivated individual. Be specific, show impact. Before, you might have said passionate AI enthusiast seeking opportunities. That's just extremely boring. Instead, say AWS certified data analyst with 3 years of experience implementing AI solutions that reduce data processing time by 60%.
Boom, hear the difference? Specific skills, years of experience, and a quantifiable achievement. That's how you showcase value instantly.
Apply this magic formula to your work experience bullet points. Action verb plus what you used and did plus quantifiable results. So instead of saying responsible for AI implementation, say led implementation of ChatGPT-powered customer service tools, reducing average response time from 24 hours to 10 minutes, a 99% improvement, and increasing customer satisfaction scores by 45%.
Yeah, that shows your impact, your experience score on the human coefficient scales. Numbers grab attention, let's face it. And those AI certifications we keep mentioning, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, etc., they're critical proof for both ATS and humans. List them clearly. AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, completion March 2025. Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer, in progress, estimated completion September 2025. Microsoft Certified Azure AI Fundamentals, completion February 2025.
Notice that in progress? That's powerful. It shows initiative and adaptability, a key human coefficient trait. You're actively upskilling in a fast-changing field. Don't just dump a list of buzzwords. Organize your resume skills section logically. Technical skills, specific platforms, languages, Python, SQL, TensorFlow, Power BI, AWS, SageMaker, Azure ML. AI tools, list tools you've used, ChatGPT, Midjourney, specific analytics software. Human business skills. Don't forget these. They highlight your human coefficient. Communication, problem solving, project management, collaboration, critical thinking, training others. And list exactly what you did and the positive outcomes it produced.
All right, time to answer your burning questions. Question number 1. David asks, how do I show AI experience if I'm just starting out?
Great question, David. Focus on transferable skills. Highlight projects where you analyze data, simplified complex information, manage data-driven projects, or trained others on new tech. These are AI-adjacent skills that employers value. Frame your past experience through an AI lens.
Okay, Megan asks, what's the biggest resume killer you see?
Without a doubt, Megan, it's keyword stuffing. Yes, use keywords, but jamming AI, machine learning AI engineer into every sentence is obvious and ineffective. Both ATS algorithms and humans see right through it. Integrate keywords naturally within your achievements. Authenticity matters.
And question number 3, Anthony asks, how far back should my experience go on an AI-focused resume?
Anthony, focus heavily on the last 3 to 5 years as tech changes fast. However, if you had a highly relevant major accomplishment 6 to 8 years ago, like leading a complex data migration, include it briefly, emphasizing skills still relevant today. Prioritize recent impact.
Okay, let's lock in your AI resume success checklist for 2025. Quantify results. Numbers prove impact. Keywords from job posting. Mirror their language. Clean ATS-friendly format. Simple as smart. Showcase certs, even in progress. Demonstrate adaptability. Balance tech and human skills. Highlight your human coefficient. Nail the 6-second summary. Hook them fast. That's a key right there. You've got to hook them in fast.
Remember, your resume is your marketing document. Make those 6 seconds count by clearly showing your unique value, your human coefficient advantage.
And to help you identify your unique strengths, remember to download our free Human Coefficient Self-Assessment Guide. It's down below the video down there in the description where it says more. Click on more and you'll see the list of all of the different PDFs and the classes that we offer, all free. Below those are some from Google and others that may cost a little. No kickbacks to me. I'm not that fancy yet. I don't have the numbers to do any affiliate marketing, as I say, yet. So, but those are the good courses you want to take to get those certifications we've talked about, all linked down below. So along with all the rest of the free, don't forget the classes. They are on the homepage of our Human Coefficient channel, all free. You know, download it, watch those. I made everything for you. Take advantage of it. And please, if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button, and which is the thumbs up button. And also please consider subscribing to our channel. If you haven't done so already, we would greatly appreciate it. And be sure and tell your friends about us. Our goal here is to make sure nobody gets left behind in this AI revolution. We're all in this together. We're all going to learn together, and we're all going to be, triumphant in this AI revolution. We're going to make ourselves dispensable. So until next time, from Mabel, I'm Rod. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.